Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel DIY Ideas. This video is about epoxy resin. Over the past years, furniture designers established new ways of taking advantage of resin and its defining characteristics to create unique and outstanding pieces. Resin furniture has become a style, a trend, and a source of inspiration for a new way of thinking. The changes that have been introduced in the wood industry are growing day by day. The combination of wood and resin is the newest invention in the woodworking field. Resin is a very sticky natural or synthetic material and is generally dissolved in alcohol but is not soluble in water. According to the chemical composition and their uses, resins are classified into different types. It's also widely used in the wood industry and even in the arts. Natural resin comes from plants. The best example is the pine sap. The beautiful amber stone is gained by the hardening of the plant's resin. For many years, humans have used natural resins. With advancements in technology, we are discovering artificial resins which are cheaper. There are other ways of how to make a resin wood. Epoxy is a synthetic resin used in various industries. Types of epoxy resins. In terms of drying, epoxy resins are categorized into two different categories: single-component epoxy resin and multi-component epoxy resin. Single-component resins dry immediately in the proximity of air for a variety of adhesives and materials used to polish old stones. The second type is a multi-component resin, which for drying, called the baking step, requires additional materials that are cook and dry them. Because it's an internal reaction, these resins can be used for volumetric work. Single-component resins generally do not have this property. Epoxy resin is one of the most aesthetic choices when it comes to working with wood. If you are wondering how to create inlays with epoxy, don't worry, as the process is very simple. With resin inlay, you can create such fine patterns and can choose from a variety of beautiful designs.